In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. If you want to create second version of any app on this OPPO, you don't need any tricks or extra apps to do it. Just go into settings and scroll to click on apps over here. Now tap on App Cloner and click on one of your recommended apps over here. But if you want to clone any other app, just click on Other Apps section over here and tap on a chosen one. I will go with Aliexpress. Use gray switcher next to Create App Clone to activate it and wait. As you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you want to rename App Clone, click here and type in whatever you want to. Then select Save. You can also tap on Default App to open and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Always ask Original App or App Clone. When you finished, just go back. As you can see now, I can check that my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and tap on No blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!